Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Blake, your favorite marketing expert, and today we're going to be reviewing how to respond to reviews through your local presence tool. So, first I'm going to have you navigate to your dashboard for your local presence. And once you navigate there, you're going to see on the left-hand side our lovely tool, Local Presence Boost. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see a drop down, and I'm going to have you click on monitoring, which is the first option. And when you click on monitoring, it's going to populate all of the reviews you've received. Now, the reviews that you're going to see here are from your Google business profile, your Facebook business page, and Yelp. So you'll see, of course, all of them generating here. You'll see when they received, how many stars, who wrote the review, your response. And today we're going to learn about how to respond. Now there's a few options. You can either personally write a message or you can use the AI tool within this platform. So on the left-hand side, once again, you're going to see where the review came from, and we're going to go ahead on the right-hand side now, respond. So we're going to respond to this Google business profile by clicking respond, and it's going to populate now the review, okay? So it lets us know who left the review and what that review message said. Now, some key informations here is it's highlighted and underlined some keywords, the words that pop out that help with that sentiment. For your response, once again, you can generate your own response if you would like, or you can use the AI tools by simply clicking the select button with the drop down and going ahead and selecting something that fits to what you like. So I'm going to say, hello, Rudy. And then you can do a statement after that. We really appreciate your feedback and kind words. We're looking forward to serving you again. I really like that. You can do a sentiment. Once again, you can check anything on here. If you don't want a sentiment or you don't want any of these options, you don't have to select anything. And then we're going to go to closing, and we're going to select wishing you all the best and thank you for the review, okay? Now, once you select your sentiments and responses, you can go ahead and hit reply, and it will post immediately to whatever directory that was from, Google, Facebook, or Yelp. Now, for this one, we are going to do a personal message. So let's go ahead and create something now. For your kind words. All right, and I'm just going to reread this once again, just making sure it's exactly how I want to respond. Much for your kind words. It is a pleasure working with you and serving your clients. I look forward to our continued work in the future. Our continued partnership. And I'm going to hit reply. And now you're going to see right here, it's publishing the response on the right-hand side right under respond. And now it has been published. So here's the response, and the status is live. Okay, so just like that, as simple as that, you're able to respond to your reviews. Now, the fun part is there might even be reviews from past years that you didn't even know you had on certain directories. Go ahead, look through your system. Like, here's a review that hasn't been responded to. Go ahead and respond to that review. Make sure all of your reviews are responded to, whether it's positive, even negative, right? What you want to do is create a narrative. And by you responding, it also helps create credibility. It helps create trust, not only to future clients, but also to the AI systems. So go ahead, log into your system, make sure you're responding to those reviews, and have a great day.